Hi all, I'm Amelia Ihlo, and this is a preview of what you can expect from our new course of the Gardener's Workshop, Collectives 101, a guide for joining and selling flowers through regional wholesale hubs. I run a flower farm in rural New Hampshire and a collective of growers that sells into the Boston market. And I also run a company called Rooted Farmers, which works with collectives and growers across the country to support their wholesale and retail sales. We built our course alongside several of the collectives that we work with at Rooted, and we're all so excited to get this material into your hands so that you can learn from all of our years of experience and our hard lessons learned. We've packed this course pretty densely, and we're going to cover a lot of material here. Everything from the big picture, the role that collectives play within this industry and the problems that they're so well suited to solve, to the real details and the day-to-day operations of working within a collective. We'll touch on collective misconceptions and all of the reasons to consider joining or building a collective, both from the farm side and also from the perspective of the designers that you'll be working with. We'll be talking about collective economics and the cash flows that power a collective through its season, and how to really go about setting expectations as you're working through this shift in channels. We're going to dig into knowing your customers and understanding who they are and what their seasons look like. And we'll also be spending a lot of time really talking through setting standards, what's expected and why we have the approaches that we do. We'll get into logistics, into scheduling, packing orders, sleeving, moving your flowers, buckets, and all of the fun stuff. We're so excited to bring all of these great perspectives to you, and we hope that you'll join us as we walk through this course, Collectives 101, a guide for joining and selling flowers through regional wholesale hubs.